Okay, so here's the question. You have 30 seconds. Well, to read the question and understand what's going on. Okay, so in 30 seconds you should have understood that this is a situation where you have this thing being, this is a torque question, and that these are the distances, that this thing is supporting it, that this thing is about to fall down, so this must be pulling it up, okay, and everything's balanced. And this has 550 tons or 500 kilos. So here's my version of it. Now the first question is A or B in compression or tension? So understanding the situation tells you that this thing is going to, you know that's going to be falling down. So this is falling down, this is going to be compressed, and this is going to be pulled upwards. So this is under tension. B is under suppression and compression. Okay? Do you need your phone?
Yes.
Okay. All right. I've been borrowing my brother's phone to do all these questions. Anyway, next part is what's the force at A? Okay? So I'm going to give you 30 seconds off my clock. Cool. I'm going to give you 30 seconds to try and figure that out. And that's pretty much all you need to know. You can look it up there as well if you want. Okay, ready, set, go. Try and get as far as you can. Remember, step one is label all the forces that you need. 2 is choose your axis or your fulcrum. And 3 is torque. Okay. So that's all done. Actually, I think I can write on this exam paper. So I'm going to write on this now. So, calculate the magnitude of the reaction force at support A, blah, 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 blah. Okay. So first, forces. I'm going to have a center of mass going down here. Well, this is the center of mass. And we have a gravity force going down here. What distance is it along this thing? The whole thing is 18. So it's going to be 9 from this side. Okay? Now, after that, we know that force. We know there's a force pushing up here. And we know there's a force pulling down here. Okay? Because this is under compression, this is under tension. We're trying to find this one. So which axis should we choose? We should choose the axis here. Because we don't know what these forces are. Let's call it F1. Let's call it F2. I don't know what F2 is, and I don't want to work it out. So I'm just going to put my axis there so I don't need to work it out. Now, we just figure out the torques. So I'm going to draw from F2 to my center of gravity. That looks like that. So it's going clockwise, and that gives me a distance of 1. Because that's 9, that's 10. The distance between these 2 points is 1. 1 times 500 kilos times 10 for gravity. So the force is 5,000. So that's our torque going in this direction. 5,000 newtons times a distance of 1. Now going in the other direction, we have F1 times 8. And therefore these have to equal each other. 5,000 equals 8 F1. F1 equals 5,000 over 8. Which I can't figure out right now. 2,500 plus 1. I don't know. I can't figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to let you do that on your calculator, and I'll get back to you later. Okay? Thanks for that.